Fiber optic gyroscope is a high-precision angular velocity sensor widely used in inertial navigation and attitude control systems. Its manufacturing process has extremely high requirements for process accuracy and equipment. The production process starts with fiber coil winding. Engineers use high-precision winding machines to accurately wind the optical fiber into a ring or spiral coil to ensure uniform tension and reduce losses. Then enter the optical system assembly, and the fiber coil is connected to the light source, beam splitter, phase modulator, and detector in turn to ensure accurate alignment of the optical path. During the circuit system assembly stage, engineers complete PCB production, component welding, and circuit testing to provide stable guarantee for signal processing. After all optical and circuit components are completed, enter the system integration and install the core components to the mechanical structure to ensure overall stability. Then carry out debugging and calibration, including vibration and temperature testing, and analyze zero-bias stability through Allen variance to optimize the long-term reliability of fog.